Can I make the bed? Hey. Jada, I want to make the bed. So I want to start making my bed like before I drive off. I know it sounds like, oh, you know, normal people do make their bed before, you know, they leave their rooms, but not me. So I think it'll be nice to just, you know, restart, make my bed so that when I'm ready for bed at night, I think it'll feel nice to get in a freshly made bed. What you think, Jada? Yes. So can I make the bed now? Ah! Can I make the bed? Yes. Okay. I just have to fold a lot. Here, go down.
Stretch my legs.
Oh, yeah.
Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch. Often I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids. Talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face.
Girl.
Throw my clothes on.
I should really
Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ow! No bite. No bite. Alright, it's about to be 11, so I need to straighten up. Okay, guys. We need to get ready to hit the road. We really do. Bye!
Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves,
You gotta bring it back. Jada, you gotta bring it back.
For a swim.
That's
Winter
not how
time,
you
go
play.
grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on.
Welcome to Virginia. While in Virginia, I hung out with my sister and picked up a new accent along the way.
And now,
Oh, thank you, sister. You're so kind, darling. Thank you.
It is true. My success on the net will influence
Thank you.
all of your prospects.
Thank you for your services.
One day.
And for the most part, the only thing I filmed was Miss Jada baby and Achilles, my doggy few, my nephew. And these two, for the next like 4 days, all they did was hang out, play, and just chill with each other. It was so freaking cute. I mean, they did everything together. is just so sweet. And this was their last day together. I think Achilles pretty much got tired of Jada, but it was so cute. My sweet girl. Hey friends, oh, it's been a minute, I know, but I've just been enjoying my time at my sister's, and unfortunately, it's time to leave. So I'm about to head to Walmart. I ordered my groceries for pickup, and then I'm gonna head to a state park in North Carolina. I made it so I only have to drive like an hour and a half, but in Dom it's probably gonna be more like 2 hours, but I should make it before it gets dark out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. On the road again. Okay, so I'm trying to get my fridge in order. I'll figure all of this out. But I just had like the greatest experience at Walmart picking up this stuff. He gave Jada a bone to play with, and so that's great. And then this whole goodie bag of stuff, and I'm so happy his card is in here. So sweet, so sweet, so sweet. All this goodie bag, so it's like snacks and stuff, so I'm excited. But so from here I only have 2 hours to drive, and I'll be there around 5 o'clock. So let me go ahead and put these groceries away really fast so I can get on the road and hopefully get there before dark, because I don't like driving in the dark. We know this. So see y'all later.
Welcome to North Carolina.
So, unfortunately, I'm stuck in traffic. An accident must have just happened because all of the ambulance, the police cars, and all that stuff, fire trucks, just kind of looped around and jumped in front of us. So, I don't know how long I'm going to be in traffic for. I literally only have maybe like 20-something miles to go. But it has pushed me back in time, so I still hope I can make it to the campsite by dark, because you know I just really can't see that well in the dark, and luckily I'm staying at a state park, so it should be easier to direct myself in the park or whatever for parking, but it's still not ideal. Like, I like to set up my campsite, you know, with light, with natural light. But yeah, so traffic because of an accident. So I hope they're okay and able to move out the way so we can get to our place in time. But yep, now we wait. So I'm about to pass it up right now, and moments like this literally is why, you know, I say if I'm running late for something and it's literally out of my control, I don't try and race it. I just take it as a sign, like, hey, maybe it just stopped me from getting in a car accident or something, because literally this accident just happened. I seen it pop up on my navigation, and yeah, oh Lord, they're flipped over. Two vehicles have flipped over, and it looks like an 18-wheeler may have been in the accident as well, but we're starting to move.
Continue on Medoc State Park Road for 1 mile.
Okie dokie, so I just made it inside and was literally greeted by the park ranger. So nice. And Miss Jada, you know, she's all up on the park ranger, like, oh my gosh, hi. And yeah, so it looks really nice. It's very shaded, so I'm happy that I'm already fully charged and stuff like that, because yeah, it's not much shade. So I'm at 24. No, I'm at 24. Yeah. So how do I get in here? Oh, I back in. Well, alrighty then. This is gonna be interesting. Okay. Let's find the... What in the heat say? Where's the... Oh, there it is. Is that it? Yeah. I'm so thankful for this backup camera, because, oof. And just like that, we in this piece. Let's go just look at the site. We're not going to really explore much because I need to get it ready for tonight. So let's see what we're working with. All right, so that's the bathhouse right there. So bathhouse, restroom, and everything. So that's dope. Here's our spot. Nice little picnic table. I think I'm supposed to have a fire pit. I wonder if that's the fire pit right here. Yeah, I think this is the fire pit, but I'm not making a fire anyway. This water. Let me zoom in for you. That right there is water. So yeah, I don't know. Let me wipe off my lens, sorry. Yeah, I got lucky as far as like picking the spot near the restroom and the bathhouse and stuff. Go me. Yeah. I'm gonna let Miss Jada baby go to the restroom really quick, and then I'm gonna get life together. The moon is already out. See if I can get set up really quick before it gets like super dark around these parts. All right, so here's the bathroom. Those are all stalls, and towards the back we have 1, 2, 3, 4 showers, and it looks really nice and kept in here compared to some of the other places that I've stayed at. So this is really nice. Okay, so what was I gonna say? I thought I didn't bring my keys. I thought I may have locked them in Dom, but they're in my pocket. What was I gonna say? I don't know. I think maybe I was gonna say I'm gonna take my shower in the morning. Probably. Because it's gonna be like 28 degrees tonight. Plus I already showered at my sister's, but I'm gonna take my shower in the morning, a nice hot shower. That water heated up so fast when I washed my hands, so that means the shower should be nice too. So I'll do that to probably get me nice and warm before I hit the road. Here's Jada. Look at that belly. Girl, you just scarfed down your food, huh? Okay, I'm coming, I promise. Okay, so here's dinner tonight, which is just leftover Mexican food from when I was at my sister's. So this is like carnitas, rice, and beans, and here's even more beans. So I'm thinking, since it's already in like an aluminum pan, maybe I can just sit the aluminum thing on the propane stove without like actually putting it in a pan and just wasting a pan. So I'm gonna try that, and I'm pretty sure it'll work. I mean, it's just like aluminum, so like, I don't know, we'll see. I'll just cook it on low with the propane, but that's gonna be dinner for tonight, and I'm starving actually. I think I only had like some french fries from Bojangles and a coffee. I had 2 coffees today and some french fries, and it's like 6 o'clock now, so I'm hungry. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna try and make it on low. I don't know what's already sizzling, you hear it? It's probably just the moisture that was already on it from like being in the fridge. So I'm gonna try and make it low. There we go. And I do have a top. So yeah, I just shredded some of the carnitas and beans, and then there's the rice. And hopefully that'll help just like keep some of the moisture or the heat in and have it cook all the way around. So we'll see. Again, it's aluminum, so it should work. So if it doesn't work, I mean, I do have a pan that I can literally just sit it in. I just really don't feel like wasting a pan. And I mean, if you live this lifestyle, you know how, you know, like, you don't want to waste dishes, basically, because it just, I hate washing dishes in Dom. Yeah, that's as real as it gets. I hate washing dishes in Dom. So if I can, like, not have to waste a pan, I am going to be innovative and try something. So wish me luck. Look, y'all, it's working. Oh yeah. Let me stir that, and then it should be good to go. Woo-hoo. So it worked, my people. I grabbed some sour cream out the Frigidaire, and then I'm making this, you know, some meat, sour cream, rice, and beans. And then here's the leftover meat, rice, beans, and stuff. Then I still have more left in the fridge, but this is gonna be dinner, and I think this is where I'm gonna let you guys go. Yeah. I'm gonna see you guys later. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if there's something you like, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.